We so often are told by visitors they've never been into a place like this.
This is our 1925 Locomobile Model 48 Sporty.
The 1930 Chrysler Imperial 80L.
The 1935 Pierce Arrow.
The 1920 Argon Model D 2-passenger roadster.
Everyone who comes to the museum comes and looks at this car and they're like, there's no way this car runs.
In a general way, fashion, automobile design, all these things were interrelated.
Just like that. Give it me. It doesn't look like it's big enough for me.
This is not just an auto museum. This is a time machine.